Hello, everybody. My name is John Dermeyer, and I'm just starting my senior year at CBU. I am a certified massage therapist and have been for the past 10 years. And uh, I am a kinesiology major. I know that many of you are as well, and that we've taken the same classes, so I look forward to taking classes with many of you that I have before again, and to get to know those that I haven't met before in our group assignments. As far as my career goals, I would like to either be an athletic trainer or a physical therapist. As a massage therapist, I just want to have better evaluation skills, and I've just come to understand that the realm of rehabilitation requires more education than what I have so far, and that I can better help people if I further my education. My hobbies are working in my yard, gardening, playing with my kids, playing and watching basketball, and going out on my family's boat to look for whales and dolphins and stuff like that. Well, everybody, good luck, and hope we have a great semester.